Tell me about the F-86, Marv.
F-86 is a Tomahawk F-86. It was the kit version. Bought that, I believe, in 2017, and it took me about 3 years to build. Not totally, but I set it aside a while. But finished it up last year. Flew it last fall for the first time. Flies great airplane. One of the best flying airplanes I've ever flown. Power is a King Tech 260. Futaba radio, 18MZ. Got smoke in it. Did a bunch of modifications with the fuel tank, added and put an aftermarket fuel tank in it, aftermarket smoke oil. I'm using a valve on every retract, or every landing gear has its own separate valve and air tank. Let's see, what else? Painted with latex, that came out pretty nice. Cali graphics on the big graphics, and it's got the rub-on tailor-made graphics for all the stencils, so all the small lettering.
Why'd you pick that scheme?
I saw it on the internet. It was a camo scheme. I thought it was going to be more simple to paint. It wasn't. It's a lot of work to paint that. It turns out that Tomahawk does make an ARF in that scheme now, which I was kind of disappointed at, because I thought it would be very unique. It's probably not going to be. But very happy with the kit, the way it, especially the way it flies. It's just a lot of fun.
Now, it's not an easy plane to bring to the field and get ready.
No, it's not. It's extremely difficult to assemble. The wings are in halves, or they would have to be in halves. Put that together first on a stand. Fuse comes out of the trailer. You have to snake the fuse out of the trailer, otherwise you hit the vertical fin. We got it out, and there's another stand that has to come off the fuselage for transport. Get that off, put it on the plane. Four wing bolts to hold it in, hold it together, 2 quarter 20s and 2 832s. Those are part of the kit. And 5 plugs on each side. Got to get it up through the wheel well, so you're laying on your back, under the plane on the stand, trying to plug it all in. That works.